Hello and welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we'll be seeing two delicious recipes which you can prepare for Kartike Deepam. Firstly, we'll see how to prepare delicious pori urunde at home. To prepare this, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 1 cup of grated jaggery and 1/4 cup of water. Please note this is the cup which I'll be using to measure all the ingredients. Now give all the ingredients a good mix and keep stirring this continuously and cook in low to medium flame until you get one string consistency. Once your jaggery syrup is almost ready, into this add 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder and give that a good mix as well. Now our jaggery syrup is almost ready. To check if it's of the desired consistency, take a bowl of water and into that add 1 drop of the prepared jaggery syrup, and if it settles in the bottom, then you have achieved the one string consistency. Switch off the flame and now into this add 4 cup of puffed rice or puri and give this a good mix. Make sure to add the puri in batches so that you can mix all the ingredients uniformly. Once done, immediately transfer this into a mixing bowl or a plate and keep a bowl of water close by. Wet both your hands with water and take small portions and prepare tight laddus using both your hands. If you feel the mixture is too hot, you can wet your hands again with water and repeat the process. Now your delicious laddus are ready. Next we will see how to prepare unniyappam or neyyapam. To prepare this recipe, the ingredients which we would require would be 1 cup of idli rice or raw rice, 2 small size banana. Traditionally for this recipe, Palayam Kote or apple banana is used, but here I have used baby banana or Nyali Puvan. You can use any banana of your choice, but make sure not to add more than 1/3 cup of roughly chopped banana for 1 cup of rice. Next, 1 cup of grated jaggery or 1.5 blocks of jaggery, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped coconut, half teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder, and a pinch of salt. To begin with, wash and soak the idli rice or raw rice for minimum 2 to 3 hours before further use. Next, take a thick bottom kadai and into that add 1/3 cup of water, and once the water is hot enough, transfer the jaggery into it and crush the jaggery and allow it to melt. For this recipe, we just need the jaggery to melt and not one string consistency. Once the jaggery has melted, allow this to cool down in room temperature before further use. Next, take the banana and chop them roughly. Now our soaked rice is ready. We can also see how the jaggery syrup has become thick after cooling down. Next, take a mixer jar and transfer the rice, jaggery and banana into it, and make sure not to add any water and grind this into a fine batter. Make sure that your batter is not too watery and is of the consistency as shown in the video. Once your batter is ready, allow this to ferment for minimum 8 hours before further use. Next, take a tadka pan and into that add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or ghee and transfer the chopped coconut into it and saute and cook this until they turn golden brown. Once you have allowed the batter to rest for minimum 8 hours, right before preparing the unniyappam, add the salt, elaichi powder or cardamom powder, baking soda and the ghee roasted coconut pieces and give your batter a good mix. Next, take a unniyappa chatti and fill the pits with ghee or coconut oil, and once the oil is really hot enough, lower the flame to low to medium and transfer the batter into it. Now allow this to cook in low to medium flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once one side is perfectly cooked, flip and cook the other side as well for another 2 to 3 minutes in low to medium flame. Now our delicious neyyapam or unniyappam is ready. You can repeat the process for the rest of the batter as well. With the prepared batter, we can yield about 20 to 21 unniyappam or neyappam. We can see how soft and crisp it is on the outside and also well cooked on the inside. So do try this recipe during this Kartikeya Deepam and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe to Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.